Okay, I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2014 Jaguar XF remote key fob. Now, I can't remember which way these slide. It's quite tough. So you're pressing upwards from the bottom of the key. You then have a spare key there. If you put that in there and lever like so, that comes apart. You've then got the key there. You may need something to pull it out. That's a CR2032 and it goes back in the exact opposite way. Slide in. Then clip back together, key in like so, and then just slide that up there so that the key goes over, and then oops, it's quite tough, this one, and then just slide back. That's how you do the Jaguar key.